Welcome to Educator Academy. So guys, hope you're doing well. So guys, in this video we will discuss about trigonometry and trigonometric formula and their shortcuts. So guys, don't skip the video, watch till the end. We will discuss about trigonometry. So guys, trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: trigonometry. So tri mean three, gono mean angles, and metro mean measurements. So trigonometry means measurements of triangles. Triangles may be like this and maybe like this. It's making 90 angle while it's making 60 angle. So now we will discuss about trigonometric values. So guys, as we know that there are 6 trigonometric values: sine, cos, tan, and cosecant. Their inverse. Secant is inverse of cos, cotangent is inverse of tan. So guys, now the question is how to remember these values. So as we are discussing about trigonometric, and we have discussed previously that trigonometric is measurements of triangles. So now we relate these 6 trigonometric values with triangle. So we have a triangle, and here is 90 degree and here is theta. So guys, always remember one thing: opposite side to the 90-degree angle is always hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is always perpendicular, while the remaining side always base. So this is a trick that we use in trigonometric to recognize where is hypotenuse and where is perpendicular. As we know, sine, cos, tan are trigonometric values. Now the question is how to remember these trigonometric values by relating it to the figure. Now, so guys, don't worry, we have a simple formula to remember these trigonometric values by relating it to the figure. We have simple formula: some people have curly brown hair through proper bushing. So the red show the sine, and the curly show capital C show cos, and the capital T show tangent. So now in the people show perpendicular, H show hypotenuse, B show base, again H show hypotenuse, P show perpendicular, and B show base. Now we can easily remember the sine value. Sine is equal to perpendicular or hypotenuse, because some people have, so it related to the first line of the stanza. And the cos represent brown hair, so B is base and the H show hypotenuse. In the same way, tan show through proper bushing, so P show perpendicular or at B show base. So this is the trick how to remember the sine cos value relating to the figure. Now we have a given figure with their sides, so we have to represent their hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base first. Then we have to calculate their sine, cos, tan, and their inverse values. So opposite to the 90-degree angle always hypotenuse, and while opposite to the theta is always perpendicular, while the remaining side always base. So now we have to calculate sine, cos, tan, and their inverse values. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular or hypotenuse. Some people have, so P show perpendicular and H show hypotenuse. So we have recognized their values. Perpendicular is 4, so 4. Hypotenuse, which is given, is 5. Now we have to calculate cos value. So cos is curly brown hair, so B show base divided by, and here show hypotenuse. So we have given value base is 3, while hypotenuse which is given our 5, so 3 by 5. Now we have to calculate the tan value as we given through proper bushing. So P show perpendicular while B show base. So perpendicular which is given to us is 4 and the base which is given to us 3. So 4 by 3 is our tan. Inverse of sine which is cosecant theta, so which is hypotenuse or perpendicular. Hypotenuse given which is 5, perpendicular which is given is 4. In the same way, inverse of cos is secant theta which is equal to hypotenuse or base. So hypotenuse given which is 5, base which is given is 3. In the same way, inverse of tan is cotangent theta which is equal to base or perpendicular. Base which is given is 3 and perpendicular which is given is 4. So cotangent theta is equal to 3 by 4. Guys, in this question we have given two sides of the triangle. We have to find the third side of the triangle. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, while opposite to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So as we know, the Pythagoras theorem is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So base is given which is 3 square and her perpendicular which is given is 4 square and hypotenuse square. So 3 power 2 is 9 plus 4 power 2 is 16 which is equal to 25. So as we know, we have to find hypotenuse. So take under root on both sides. We will get under root 25 which is equal to 5. So hypotenuse is equal to 5. So in this case guys, we have given one side and one angle. We have to find the x value. So in this case, we have find hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So opposite side to the 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So as we know, the tan theta is equal to perpendicular or base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular or base. So perpendicular which is given is x, base which is given is 42 and the angle which is given is 38. So tan 38 is equal to x divided by 42. So x is equal to 42 is dividing here, so move to the other side, it will be multiplying. So 42 multiplied by tan 38, so x is equal to 32.8. This is our answer. So guys, in this case we have given two sides of a triangle and we have to find angle. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree is hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So we have given two sides, one is perpendicular and base. So as we know, tan theta is equal to perpendicular or base. So perpendicular is given to us which is 5 and base which is given is 4. So tan theta is equal to 5 by 4. We have to find angle theta. So tan inverse 5 by 4, so it will become 51.34. So theta is equal to 51.34. This is our right answer. So guys, again we have a question. We have given two sides, we have to find their angle. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree is hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So guys, as we know that cos theta is equal to base our hypotenuse. So base which is given to us 3, hypotenuse is 7. So cos theta is equal to 3 by 7, and theta is equal to cos inverse 3 by 7. So which is equal to 64.62 degree. So theta is equal to 64.62 degree. This is our right answer. So guys, we have again question which is of two sides and we have to find its angle. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, while opposite to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So in this case, we have given perpendicular and hypotenuse. As we know, some people have, so sine theta is equal to, people have perpendicular divided by have hypotenuse. So perpendicular which is given is 5, which is divided by hypotenuse which is given is 6. So sine theta is equal to 5 by 6, and the theta is equal to sine inverse 5 by 6. Theta is equal to 56.4. So guys, this is our right answer. So guys, we have given a triangle. As we know, opposite side to the 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, while opposite side to the perpendicular theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So guys, we have no sine theta is equal to perpendicular or hypotenuse, which is a by c. In the same way, cos theta which is equal to base or hypotenuse, base which is given is b, while c hypotenuse, so b divided by c. So by using Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square. So divide it by c square, we will get a square c square plus b square c square plus c square divided by c square. So c square will be cancelled, is equal to 1, while a square, a divided by c, so a divided by c will become sine square, and b square divided by c is equal to cos square. So this is proved. So guys, this is our proof. So guys, we have given a question. Perpendicular is given which is 4, and hypotenuse is given which is 2. We have to find the cos value. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree angle is always hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. We have given perpendicular which is 4 and hypotenuse which is 2. So we have given a formula, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So as we know that sine square theta is equal to perpendicular or hypotenuse, we have given perpendicular and we also given hypotenuse. So put the value here, we will get sine theta. It will become, perpendicular is given which is 4 and hypotenuse which is 4, which is 2. So we can get the cos value by using this formula. So put the sine value here. Sine value here, we can calculate cos value 4 divided by 2 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So when we solve this one, it will become 16 divided by 4 plus cos theta is equal to 1. So solve this 4 4s are 16, and 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So move the 4 to the other side, it will become cos square theta is equal to minus 3. So take the under root on both sides, it will become cos square is equal to under root minus 3. So this is our right answer. So guys, now we have to prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So in previous we have discussed about sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this formula we can prove this one formula. So as we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now we can divide it by cos square theta. So divide it by cos square theta, we can get, so cos square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. So sine over cos is equal to tan, so it will become tan square theta. So now this will be cancelled, and 1 is equal to, as we know, 1 over cos is equal to secant square theta. So hence it is proved. So guys, this is our proof. So guys, in this question we have given perpendicular, which is 8, while base is 2. Find secant square. So as we know, opposite side to the 90-degree angle is hypotenuse, while opposite side to the theta is equal to perpendicular, while the remaining side is base. So we have given perpendicular, which is equal to 8, and base is given, which is equal to 2. We have to find secant square. So as we know, tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. So base, which is given, and perpendicular also given, so 8 divided by 2, which is equal to tan theta. So we have given formula 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square theta. So put the value of tan here. 1 plus tan value is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to square and secant square theta. We have to calculate secant square theta. So 1 plus 8 into 8 is equal to 4, 64, while 4 into 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So secant square theta. So 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. So it will become 1 plus 16 secant square theta. So secant square theta is equal to 17. So guys, this is our right answer. So now we have to prove that 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square, and we know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So divide this equation by sin square. So divide this by sin square theta. So sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta, 1 by sin square theta. So as we cancelled sin square it will be 1. So cos square divided by sin square is equal to cot square theta, and 1 by sin will equal to cosecant square theta. So now we have proved. So this is our proof. So in this question, cos is given, which is equal to 4, and sin is given, which is equal to 2. We have to find the value of cosecant square. So guys, as we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So 1 plus cot is equal to cos square theta divided by sin square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So cos, which is given, is equal to 4 square is equal to 16 divided by sin, which is given 2, and 2 square is equal to 4. So cosecant square theta, so 4 4s are 14 16, so 1 plus 4 is equal to cosecant square theta, and cosecant square theta is equal to 5. So this is our right answer. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thanks for watching.